Hey there friends, I'm back again with another awesome tutorial video. In this one, I'll guide you through the simple steps to create a Microsoft account. A Microsoft account allows you to access a wide range of Microsoft services, such as Outlook, OneDrive, Xbox, and much more. So let's get started. Step 1 is to open your web browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Next step is to click Sign In. So if we don't have an account, all we have to do is to create one. Enter your desired email address. And the next step is to create a strong and secure password. Make sure it's something you'll remember, but not too easy to guess. So the next step is to provide information about your country or region and date of birth. So we'll need to provide the details and then hit next. So the next step is we will need to verify our email. So we need to check our email address for the code. Once you have received the security code, all you have to do is to copy and then paste it here. And then click next. So in this step, we will need to prove that we are not a robot. So we will need to use the arrows to rotate the animal to face in the direction of the hand. And then click submit. And that's it. We have successfully created our own Microsoft account. Congratulations and thank you for learning with me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Once again, thank you for watching how to create your own Microsoft account. I'll be back soon with more exciting tech tips and tricks, so stay tuned. See you on my next video.